So wonderful. I am so honored to be here. I flew to more than 24 hours to get here. It was Kuala Lumpur, Singapore, Auckland, Apia. And I'm doing the same route when I go back. So, yes, so hence, it's a journey. But nevertheless, I'm so excited to share my experiences and about the Facebook Live with all of you. So before we go ahead, so I think we've done that with me. I know that you have spent some of your time with each other yesterday, but we just want to do a bit of a connection with each other because we are going to spend almost till evening with each other. So the best thing is to probably get to know each other first in the beginning and get to know more at the end. So it's going to be a very laid back interactive session. So I would really appreciate feedback as well. Just ask me anything at some point. You don't even need to raise your hand. You just I'm fine with that because it's such a small, intimate group, so I think we can afford to do that. And it is a workshop. And I always feel that, for me to sustain throughout the day, it's just not about me talking, because I get tired talking for 6 hours or 7 hours, right? So we need to hear your voice as well. Now, I've put on the post-it notes on your table. Okay, so I would like to know, this is also for the benefit of me and also for the benefit of the group. I want you to write down what you hope to achieve in today's workshop. Okay, it can be one post-it note, one thought, like to know more about technical, for example, right? So that's one. So if you have 3 or 4, then in a different post-it note. So I'll give you about 3.5 minutes to note down your thoughts on what you hope to achieve in this workshop today, okay?